Okay. This. I'm gonna show you all my nerf guns. Also the broken ones. So, right here, broken. Okay. So the broken ones. First broken one. Finish from all of these. First the broken ones. Okay. First, got this. This is actually a grenade launcher. Make it sound good. Yeah. This will work. Okay. Snipe. Okay, that's it. First, this is the broken one here. Okay. Alright. Hello to my ship. So, the next one. Ooh, this is one. Okay. This is actually my second favorite one. Okay, so yeah, this. My friends actually got scared of him. Look, this does not even have bullets. It isn't straight. When I prank my friends, let's go like this. And you go, hey, I have a big gun. Look, turn into small to big. Yeah, that's actually fake. Fake. Okay, so this other snipe. We actually shoot this is one. I like this one. I did not realize this. Yeah. This is the second one. Let's move on to the third. So, okay, take this one. Yeah, so that. This is actually my favorite one. It has like hundreds of videos in 20. I was born in 2012, so there's a grandma right here in 2018. I just pretended that there's no thing. I just pretended. Okay, that's it. Okay. Snipe. Yeah, snipe. No. This is all the broken. Let's move on to the old one. So this is my favorite one. Okay. That's it. What again? This. So this one is this. You can see my hair. I know that. Okay. Snipe. It's good. Didn't even snipe this one. Okay. This one is snipe. Okay. So, and this one, my favorite. This. Oh. Okay. This is more than. This is all the regular ones. Move on. Didn't show you. Okay, so this is actually it. Take the flashlight off. I'll assemble it. So, I'll put it right there. Okay. Still. There's also the bonus one. Don't tell anybody this. Okay, move on. Okay, finally. Oh my god, oh my god. That's it. Okay, good. Okay. I got okay, shoot. Not so bright.
申し訳ありません。奥にご用意できた